Hey, what's up guys? Today's video, let's learn how we can make all the posts private on Facebook. So first of all, get logged into your Facebook account, then tap onto your profile. In here, tap on three bar icon, expand settings and privacy, then select settings. At the section, scroll all the way below until you find activity log. Tap on activity log and expand your Facebook activity. In here, tap on manage posts. And as you do that, tap on filters. In here, tap on categories and select your posts, photos, and videos. Now, as you do that, you will see all the posts. Go ahead and select all to make it private. Then tap three dot icon. And once done, tap change audience. Tap on change audience again. Tap on only me. Tap on change. Now each and everything is set to only me. This is how it's done, guys. Thank you for watching.